Still seeing plugin not found errors? It's 2026, and if your DAW isn't seeing your new VSTs, you're losing creative momentum. Today, I'm showing you the fastest way to install and scan plugins in FL Studio 21 so you can get back to the beats. Whether it's VST2, VST3, or a clap plugin, we're getting it live in under 2 minutes. So firstly, you just need to run your plugin installer. Always stick to the default install paths. If you're installing a legacy plugin that's just a DLL file, manually move it to your dedicated VST folder. And then you just open up your FL Studio, go to Options, and then right here, and then you go to File Settings and click Manage Plugins. If your plugin is in a weird spot, click the folder icon with the plus sign under Plugin Search Paths to add that directory. Hit Find More Plugins at the top left. The secret sauce. Make sure to verify plugins, and then you hit Find More Plugins at the top left. Make sure to also verify the plugins, make sure that it's on. It takes a second longer, but it prevents crashes and properly categorizes your effects versus generators. And then once they're yellow in the list, click the star icon next to your favorites. They'll now show up instantly in your add menu. That's it for this one. Hopefully we helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, of course, and see you next time.